Tofu Meat Sauce Gratin is a simple baked dish made by layering sliced tofu with rich tomato meat sauce, topping it with cheese, and baking until bubbly. It's lighter than a typical Japanese-style gratin made with macaroni and creamy sauce, yet it's comforting and delicious. Slice the tofu into half-inch thick pieces. We are using a soft tofu, but you can also use medium firm if you like the firm texture. Wrap the tofu with the paper towels and microwave for 2 minutes to remove excess moisture. Wipe gently to remove as much liquid as possible, then set aside. Chop the onion finely and also the garlic. Heat the oil in a pan over medium-high heat and cook the ground beef until browned. Add the onion and garlic and cook until fragrant. Stir in the tomato sauce. Cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Arrange the tofu slices in a single layer in a baking dish. Spread the meat sauce evenly over the tofu. Then sprinkle with shredded cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until heated through and the cheese is melted. Serve immediately. Tofu goes surprisingly well with the tomato sauce and cheese. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。